Good morning.
Good morning. What's for breakfast, Melanie? I already said it, a breakfast wrap. I hate that. Well, then get something else.
Yeah, you have other choices in school, huh?
Cereal or bagel or breakfast tummy hurts.
Only because you don't want to go to school. Alright. Bubba wants his donut. He didn't get it yesterday because he went night.
I'm really hungry.
So let's get you set up with your donut and we'll get these girls ready for school. And Daddy just left and tonight's a late night.
Woo! We get to stay up late tonight. Everything good.
Woo! Got your donut? I guess we got like 35-40 minutes till we gotta go to the bus, so I guess I'm gonna just go ahead and get the dishes done now so I don't have to do them later. He worked hard stacking dishes. He's drying his little hands off. Right, buddy? Dishes are done early today. Good job, buddy.
Look how Papa's staff.
Alright, we still got like 15 minutes before we gotta go outside, so we're just gonna hang out until it's time for school.
15 minutes, yay!
Sisters just left for school. It's only misting, so it wasn't too bad. Right, buddy? We're gonna fill up his milk cup so he can sit down and eat his breakfast. He's still got... What's that? Oh, it's chocolate donut. Chocolate donut? No, that's for dinner tonight. It's for dinner tonight. Okay, we'll be back. Say bye.
Bye!
Bubba's eating breakfast, cartoons are on, and I decided to make me one of those Arizona sunset drinks. Don't worry, guys. No alcohol, just 7-Up, orange juice, and grenadine. These are really good. I don't know why I decided to treat myself this early in the morning, but I'm gonna enjoy it. Somebody's calling for their mama. Ooh, it's dark in there. Oh, there you are. Are you stuck? You stuck? You want to get down? I'm going to eat some crackers. You want some? Well, you spend all that time calling Mama and now you're not going to acknowledge me? You goose. You goose. What are you fixing the lighting? Uh-oh. Alright, I'm going to go snack. You can come join me. Little sneak came in Mommy and Daddy's room. Come on, buddy. You going? Boot, scoot, and boogie. Alright. There you go. You play in your room. He's going crazy. You sneaking that donut into the living room? Should we get lunch? You ready to eat lunch? I'm not cooking burgers till tonight for dinner, so I was thinking we'd just have some cereal for lunch today. How's that sound? Does it sound yummy? He's just gonna be goofy. Let's get lunch. Getting ready to eat a cereal. Is it yummy in the tummy? Let me think about it, Mom. Careful. Now I'm gonna go fix me some lunch. Sound good? Yeah. Looks like it stopped raining. You don't care.
No.
Yep, you're right. I should go eat. Okay, I'm gonna go eat. Bye.
Bye.
You was going crazy. You're gonna fall. You're gonna go down. Don't spit. Yucky. There you go. We knew it was coming. What a daredevil. What a daredevil. Someone thinks they're a puppy dog. Are you gonna bark? Arf, arf. So I'm just gonna crawl around, do things. You gonna go in the tunnel? We got our blankets hung around the house, drying. The dryer didn't dry him completely. Yep. Alright. Alright. You're a goose. Light. Flashlight. One of his bug friends came back. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there on the couch. Sorry, the quality is terrible. Absolutely terrible. I'll be getting a new camera next month. You gonna get your bug? Bug? It's like I give up. Somebody made themselves comfortable with cold juice and they wanted their shark snuggie tail. Didn't you, Baba? Yeah. It's one of them lazy days, huh? I literally don't know what to do with the rest of our afternoon today, guys. We've got everything on the to-do list done that I can get done now. There's 3 things left that I'm doing later. Yep, we've still got... We got 3.5 hours to your sisters. Yeah, we still got a long time. What should we do? I might just end up folding the laundry. I was going to save the laundry for tonight and have the girls help me with it, but I'm going a little stir-crazy today. And I don't know what it is about rainy days, but rainy days make you a little stir-crazy. So I might just fold the laundry. Right? And then all I got left on our to-do list for today is later I got to caramelize some onions and cook burgers for dinner. And then twitching Minecraft with my husband tonight. My plan is Minecraft Twitch every Friday night, and every Friday night we'll work on a new achievement in the game. Try to keep it as entertaining as possible and upload it to my YouTube channel. And I think he's going to upload to his YouTube channel too. Not sure. Anyways, I guess let's find something to do. Oh, by the way, guys, it feels like frickin' summer right now. It is like hot as heck in here. I got a fan going behind me and I got my window wide open. And I'm sweating to death. But then again, I'm pregnant too, so that contributes. Alright, let's go find something to do. Right, buddy? Say bye.
Bye.
We just came inside. We decided to sit outside. It's almost 60 degrees out there today. So we sat outside for a little bit. Right, buddy? And now we're making a snack. We're cooking some tater tots. And he's just waiting until we can go back outside again. I don't blame him. I could sit out there all day. It's almost time for sisters. Right? We just took a short little nap on the couch, didn't we, Bubba? Now we're counting down the minutes until we get some burgers. And getting sisters off the bus. Girls are home. It's still nice outside.
For?
It's still nice outside. It's just the wind picked up and the wind is really cold.
Yes. What's that for?
This is your school papers that I'm going through right now. We'll cook dinner when your daddy gets home today.
Yeah.
Alright, get to work, girls. Picking up all the toys and stuff.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
I want to go with my dinosaur.
Alright, who can tell me why we have a 3-day weekend?
Because Monday is Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday, and we stay home to celebrate it.
And why do we celebrate Martin Luther King?
I don't know.
You didn't learn that in school?
Oh, because this is what he looks like.
Yep. Do you know why we celebrate him?
I know why.
Melanie didn't know.
Cheater.
But can you tell me why?
I don't know, but I know it's his here. I know why.
Melanie.
This photo shows Dr. King writing. He wrote books. He wrote letters to the president. He said the unfair laws should be changed. He led marches. People held signs. The signs said the laws should be changed. He gave speeches. He told crowds of people the laws were unfair. Thousands of people came to hear Dr. King's speech. Millions of people watched it on TV. He said, "I have a dream." He meant that he had a wish or a hope. His dream was for all the people to be treated equally.
Way to go, Martin Luther King, huh?
Yes.
Daddy home.
Daddy has to talk to Apple this weekend. What's Apple?
Hi, buddy.
Hey!
Let's let him in.
Who's Apple? Somebody who, I don't know.
Hey, we will knock the door. He's coming in.
Do you know who Apple is?
Got the onions cut up and going for dinner.
Hello.
Right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna work on the burgers.
Yep, we're changing garbages. I'm waiting for Lana to get your guys' back.
Awesome.
I want a cheeseburger.
We're just working on the burgers. And we got onions, tomatoes, lettuce, and condiments. Out of the kitchen, please. It's hot.
Why do you have to talk to Apple to fix all everything flavors?
Yeah, Belga. Let's see if she puts this in her vlog. I snuck her camera.
Daddy, what are you doing? Never mind.
Just got the kids' dinner.
I can have ketchup.
Cut up burger with ketchup. Burger in a bun with ketchup. Burger with lettuce and mustard. How's dinner so far, guys?
Good.
Is it good, buddy? I think he's just eating the ketchup.
What's for dessert?
I don't know. Let's worry about eating dinner right now, okay?
Okay.
Hey, Mama.
That's what best friends do.
Bye.
The end.
Diapy.
Oh.
Diapy. You know, don't you?
Mommy.
You know. Get in there. Get in there. Run, Bubba, run.
Don't open that, buddy. You'll squirt it all over the place.
That's the point, Daddy. Bubba. Gonna make a break for it.
Ah, you got me. Oh, you're alright, buddy. The horse was eating your guts. Was the horsey eating your guts? Like, hey, don't eat my guts, horsey. I need those. Yes, you do.
I love you. Oh, save me, Mama.
Don't let me go to bed, Mommy. Please.
Mommy.
We're gonna end the vlog here today.
Wait, want to know what 8 times 8 is?
What?
Like 8 and 8 and 8 on the floor and got sick on the floor, so 8 times 8 is 64.
I taught her that.
Thanks. Good night.
Good night, guys.
Can we play the Wii?
Good night.
Good night. So 7 times 7 has